Okay, so I want to review MLA Format with you girls because a lot of you aren't really doing this right, and it's something that we need to get down. So since most of you are working with Pages, I'm opening up Pages, which I already have open. The MLA Format heading is automatically your first and last name, so I'm just going to make up a name like Allison Smith. Hit enter, teacher's name, so Miss Lentino, enter again. The class, so you can just put CP English 1, and the date. Usually it's the day that's due. I don't really care which date you put, but the important part is to put the day, the month, and then the year. So let's just say it's due the 5th of November 2014. Then you have to put your last name and page number on every page. This is where a lot of you keep messing up. So you have to physically go to insert page number. Before the number is where you're going to type your last name. So Smith and then space. So now when I go to my second page, it should automatically include it. See how now it's Smith 2? So that's why you can't just type in your last name and the number 1, or every page will say number 1. So that's just the heading. Then you're going to hit enter. You want to be centered, and you're going to type in your title. The title for a formal essay should include the topic of the essay and the author and the name of the work. So I could type something like let's try this, strength through tragedy in John Hersey's Hiroshima. And because Hiroshima is the name of the text, I'm going to italicize it and not underline it. Notice how everything here is Times New Roman, font size 12. So now I would just literally hit enter after here, and then I start typing my essay. The whole essay itself should be double spaced, so that's something you would do in Format, which I don't actually have to do right now. So just to save time, if I go all the way down, so let's say you're going to work on your works cited page right now. So now I'm on this page. For the works cited page, because we only have one work that we are citing, it's a works cited, not works. So it would just be works cited, centered, size 12, Times New Roman, just like the title of my regular essay. You don't bold, italicize, or make it bigger, or underline it, anything like that. It's just the same like the rest of your paper. Hit enter. I'm going to go over to this side now, and then you just put in the citation. So it would be Hersey, comma, John, Hiroshima, which we italicize, and then I don't know the actual publishing company, city, date, and all that. So the rest you'll have to look up in the book. But that's basically how you're going to format your essay. So because I'm giving you this video tutorial, there are no excuses on how your MLA formatting is. Just remember to double space this stuff up here. Okay, but other than that, it's pretty simple. So if you have any other questions, email me, but I will be deducting points on MLA Format. That's 28 points just on your rubric, so don't get lazy.